This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kelly Rodano. Available August 14, 2025, fully furnished first floor condo, closest to the pool, pond in between, so it provides privacy. 2-bedroom and 2 full baths, split floor plan with living area in between bedrooms. Full-size washer and dryer in the unit. Luxury vinyl flooring in the living areas with tile in baths and kitchen. Enjoyable covered porch area off the great room slider doors. Less than half a mile to the beach. The community has a beautiful pool and hot tub area, a workout room and clubhouse. Near great restaurants, shops and schools. The salt air is calling you. Come visit for a little while or a long while at our peaceful island paradise. A great getaway. Please call for your showing or a video conference. For more information, review the details below or contact Kelly Rodano at 321-308-0378.